In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Kalodata, CSV. We'll go from finding the site to exporting a filtered spreadsheet you can analyze or share. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. In the results, click the official site. If you use it often, bookmark it for quicker access. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account. For exporting, use a desktop or laptop. The mobile version doesn't include full analysis tools or export capabilities. After signing in, navigate to the dataset you want to download. Depending on your goal, that might be the creator list, the product list, or shop details. Open the relevant table so the rows and columns are in view. Each of these sections presents structured rows with metrics and identifiers, so choose the one that aligns with the insight you need. Before you export, refine the view. Use the filters in the sidebar or along the top, country, category, revenue range, or date, to narrow the results. The export mirrors your current view, so setting filters ensures the file contains only the records you care about. If you're working with a very large data set, narrowing the date range or category will speed up the download and keep the file size manageable. Take a moment to glance at the record count or summary at the top. It's a quick way to confirm your filters are applied as expected. When the table looks right, look to the upper right corner of the data table for the export button. If it isn't visible, maximize your browser window or scroll until the top toolbar appears. It typically sits above the column headers. Click Export and choose the Excel option. Follow your browser's prompts to begin the download, and, if asked, pick a save location. Kalodata will generate a spreadsheet compatible with Excel, often as a CSV, and the file will include exactly what you have on screen with the filters you set. Keep the page open while the export is prepared. Larger requests can take a moment. The finished file typically lands in your default Downloads folder with a descriptive name that includes the table and date. A quick heads up, exporting is available with the professional plan and isn't included in the free plan. If you don't see the export control, that's likely the reason, and you'll need to upgrade to use this feature. That's the full process. Search for Kalodata, log in on desktop, open the right table, apply filters, and export a clean, analysis-ready file.